Welcome to this video. It's Richard Butler, Video Community Manager here at PitchGround. And in this video, what I want to show you is how to connect your bot to Facebook and also to WhatsApp and to Viber. So this is where you can really get the power of your bot. Where I'm going to go is here to configure. And then I have the options down here, Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Viber. So if I want to connect it to Messenger, I click on Messenger. I've already logged in using Facebook, so I'm just going to choose an account here, and I'm going to choose this one here, Richard Butler Udemy Instructor, and I click on Connect Group, and that is it. Let's connect up to WhatsApp. I go here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my number in here. So I have my number put in there. I connect the number by clicking on Connect, and it's going to ask me to scan a code. This is actually now generating a unique code that I'm actually going to use to scan through WhatsApp, and then that'll connect the bot to that WhatsApp number. So I've actually done that. I've connected my other phone up to WhatsApp, and what you'll actually see here is, if I can bring that up to the screen, you should see that it doesn't show so clearly, but I've actually sent a couple of test messages and the bot has actually responded. So this is probably even more powerful than having the bot on your website. You can say to people, send me a WhatsApp, and then your phone will interact with them while you're doing whatever else you wish to do. And then we have the Viber and the Telegram. So you can see it's very, very easy to set up the bot with any of these platforms. So don't just think about using the bot on the actual computer. So think about setting up the bot that they can contact you on your actual computer, or that they can contact you via WhatsApp, or that they can contact you via Viber or Telegram. And the way you would set up these is very, very similar here. You'd enter a Telegram token, or with Viber, you would enter a token here, okay? So it's very, very simple to actually set everything up and to have this bot working for you 24 hours a day with no extra cost to you. I'll see you in the next video.